morning to you all. As we know that we were discussing about different aspects related to research and publication ethics. This paper is propounded by the University Grants Commission. For this purpose or to curb the plagiarism, the University Grants Commission has taken various steps. And to look into that, one of the unit is available here, open access publishing. Sometimes what we feel that we have to see and what factors are to be considered by us so that we can publish a document in our journal which is very much esteemed and high impact factor and high reputation, or you can say a good mark in the particular market or in the field of the research. With these words, we just trying to share different views on this topic, and this topic is related to open access publishing as well as how you will publish a document in a proper way and which document is fit for which journal. Here is a particular slide which I have to share with you all. Different points which came into our mind that how you will choose the right journal for your manuscript. Manuscript mean to say what you have prepared to publish it. Sometimes we feel that, okay, this is my paper where I have to publish. I will try to complete the topic open access publishing by this taking this example and how it will be utilized and how it will be practical for us. For this purpose, I must open one paper along with it. Suppose this is the paper with me. What I have to publish? Abstract is available with me. Title is available with me. Impact of FDI on the capital adequacy ratio of the selected private sector banks. And the name of the author is remain blind so that it will not give any kind of the implications or any kind of the information to anyone. With these words, I have to share with this thing that how you will find a journal fit for this paper. First one is, if I convey here, check Google Scholar using keyword that apply to your manuscript. The first point, which is very much important, as I told you earlier also, that the googlescholar.com is available there. One thing I have to share with you, if I'm writing here Google Scholar, and that will open googlescholar.com in place of .co.in. It means to say we have to check what the address or the URL address is given. You must type it here, scholars.google.com. Now, here is a particular point, stand on the shoulders of the giants. It means to say it will give the information a lot, but which is the exact information you need, you must mention here. Here you should clarify the name of the journals where we have to publish this document, and then we will decide and discuss how you will create the manuscript, how you will develop the manuscript, and how you will find that particular journal where you have to publish. If the paper is there or the article title is there, we just copy it and place it in this website, and then you will found where such kind of the manuscript is available and what is related to match with that particular document. It means to say, if you are willing to publish a document, then you can see, is this paper already been published or not? One. Secondly, is the paper contents are easily available in the Google Scholar or not, or some of the aspect of this paper already have been published or not. If I see, here is researchgate.net. It is also a database like Google Scholar, which will provide the information about you. And this paper you can open and you will see and you will found, okay, the title of that paper is Domestic Foreign Profitability Differences and Their Determinants. What it mean to say? This paper is related to my manuscript. If I wish to update my review of literature, content of my paper, I can utilize. And this is the first, foremost, and first important and significant way of getting the open access publication from the Google Scholar. Just type the Google Scholar and mention where you are willing to publish, what kind of the paper you have, what kind of the manuscript you have, and just place it here and you will find different journals which are related to this field. For example, here one more thing is State Ownership Cross-Border Acquisition, Journal of Banking and Finance, Elsevier database is there, where you can find, okay, this paper is available related to this field, and then you can download it and you can be able to know about this paper. It means to say the keywords are there and the access through your institution here is given. If your institution has access to the Elsevier database, then you can access this journal online. My dear scholars, it is very much important to share with you all that our university has accessed all these online databases. You can access these results with your login ID. Take the login ID from the library and you can access it. And then you can see here what is JEL classification. It means to say different journals, their electronic versions are there and these are being converted in different way. It means to say the print version is available, PDF version is available, and another version is also available of these papers. The first point is that how you will access a journal which is online and which is accessible in an open platform. That was the first point which we have to discuss. I hope it is clear. Only these two lines.
Yes, sir.
Now, the site which I have to share with you all, and this particular document will be shared by me, and it has been provided by my respected fellow and colleague who is Yatindra Joshi from the Wiley Publications. He has delivered a lecture and he has shared these screen slides with us, and that's why I'm sharing with you all. There is no confusion to share with it, and it is only text, and I am discussing the whole matter with you all by taking the example practically. Now the manuscript manufacture. Manuscript matcher is there. Sometimes the word which is utilized by me, that is manufacturer. What I mean to say? Sometimes when we are not serious about our plagiarism policies, academic integrity, we will try to manufacture the product. Manufacture what? Manufacture the paper. If we are trying to manufacture the paper, then it is not possible that you will entertain the academic integrity. Therefore, you have to search in your mind, in your brain, what paper you have, what kind of the content you have, and then you have to think and rethink in your mind that manuscript be published or not. Before preparation of the manuscript, you have to visualize yourself, self-analyze yourself, and then you have to see, okay, I have to publish this my paper. For example, A student submitted his or her synopsis to the university or the Department of the Commerce, and the particular synopsis has been forwarded by the chairperson to the coordinator in FlipNet, and found that there is a 37% of the plagiarism in that document. What will happen? Level 1, level 2, level 3, it is level 2 plagiarism, and actions are to be taken by the department against that particular student or the scholar on the basis of these. Therefore, to avoid all those things, we must take our coordinator in Flip ID, or you have to take your own ID and then you have to check what is the percentage of the plagiarism, then you have to submit. It is very much beneficial for us. Now, the second point is manuscript is ready. You are not able to identify where and how, in which journal I have to publish this document. Sometimes we are very much new. This particular video or audio is not only the benefit or in the benefit or for the betterment of the students, of the scholars, of this department or the university, but also this benefit or this will give the benefit to all the students who are working with the research projects, research articles, publishing articles, and doing the or reading or watching or observing any kind of the research design or research methodology paper or any field where they are working for the purpose of the data analysis. With these words, I must communicate to you the what is the reality of the web of science, how it will give the or it will provide the help to those people who are very much new in this field. Now, the use of this manuscript matcher. The name is clear, manuscript matcher and web of science. What? It is a database which will provide manuscript matcher. Just I type here and you will see how to find. Here the word is Clarivate Analytic. What it mean to say? It is a database or it is a particular software company or the database company or the database management company which will provide a lot of databases because of in your syllabi citation indexes or database index is also the topic and point of that. How to use the manuscript matcher in Web of the Science Master Journal List. The word is used here MJL, that is Master Journal List. How to use? The whole detail is given, but in short, I have to use this URL address. It is mgl.clarivate.com. Search journal, the first menu is there. Second one is match manuscript. Third one is downloads. Fourth one is help center. And it is free login. You can see my name. I have created my account on this particular website, Web of Science Group. Database is there. And open access journals are available there. How you will find here? If you will give a name of the journal or title or ISSN number, then you can find where we have to publish my manuscript. I hope it is clear. I just take this topic. Three options are there: journal, ISSN number, or title. Here is, I placed my title here, search journal. Now, you will see a wonderful thing that refine your search results. Here is sort by relevancy, A to Z or Z to A, it is your choice. Here the first one each. Okay, you can publish this document in annual meeting and science innovation exposition. Radiology, what are these? It It doesn't mean that the paper is from the finance area is not related to the medical area, because of medical area is also inviting the FDI. Maybe the capital adequacy ratio is there, but we are not able to identify those areas. To avoid all those things, you just see which journal you are willing to access. Here is a log symbol is given, open access. Yes, list in directory of the open access journal. It means to say I wish to publish my document in that journal which is listed in DOAJ. It has been discussed already. It is a directory of open access journals. These are the journals. First journal, you can take the name of this, Actal Borgatan Nika, and then technology. And you can see here, suppose you can take agriculture Basel. Basel, a model is available in case of the finance. The students from the finance, they can understand this thing. Agriculture Basel. Here is an open access symbol is given. And you can access the profile page of the journal from here. And you can see the name of the publisher, location of the publisher, head of the publisher, and other details. ISSN number is there, journal information is there, first year. The first year publication is 2011 issues per year. It means to say monthly publications are there. Primary language English, editorial board you can visit. Article DOI, digital object identifier. It means to say when the document is to be published in the online platform, that document will be created, will generate its own DOI, digital objective identity. And the full form of this is that digital object identifier. Now, if you are willing to visit the website of this journal, yes, you can access. Before this, we all are not aware about that particular name of the journal. Why and how? Because of we have not searched that and we have not seen from the eyes of the Web of Science. And you can see impact factor of this journal is 2.925. I hope it is clear to you all.
Yes, sir.
And in case of this Scopus, the site score is 2.5. It means to say you can access each and everything. And the basic one is Manuscript Matcher, who provides Web of Science database. By whom? By the Wiley Publications. Now, another point. If you are willing to search the site, or we are willing to match the paper or the manuscript with your manuscript, not with the name of the journal. I have put my topic title of the paper and I have selected my keywords and abstract. It will generate also keywords automatically. Now find the journal. You are capturing my steps or should I repeat?
No, sir, we are capturing it.
Okay. Find journal. Now you can see found 26 results. Taylor and Francis database is there. View profile page. Applied Economics is the name of the journal. Sustainability, Emerging Marketing, Finance and Trade. You can see the very much relevant journals. International Journal of Finance and Economics. Match score is 0.26. ISSN number is there. EISSN number is there. Publisher Wiley. And the core collection is Social Science Citation Index. It means to say this journal is listed in Web Science database under the citation head Social Science and Citation Index. I will clarify these also. View profile page. International Journal of Finance and Economics. Started year 1996. Frequency quarterly. Country England. Web of Science coverage. Yes, it is coverage. It is covered under the core collection Social Science Citation Index SSCI. Category Business and Finance. Now, Journal Citation Report. It is provided by the Journal Citation Report Clarivate. The Clarivate database will provide the information about the impact factor of the journal. And now you can see here 2020 journal impact factor is not available and 2019 is not available. I maybe see, or you can see new metric. Nowadays in 2021 it has been generated and given on the basis of the performance of 2020. The Journal Citation Indicator is a measure of the average category normalized citation impact, CNCI, of citable items, mean to say article and reviews, published by a journal over a recent 3 years period. It mean to say window is of 3 years. It is used to evaluate the journal based on other matrices. Decide the journal impact factor. If journal impact factor is not available, then other factors are also there. On that basis, like Altmetrics is there, Google Scholar Matrix is there, and other metrics, what the Web of Science deemed fit. On that basis, what is the valuation or the evaluation of this journal? That is 1.22 in 2020 and 0.53 in 2019. Here you can see peer review information. Yes, Pavlon partner. Yes, public report and Pavlon transparent review. Yes, mean to say public domain. These are available or not. Now you can see the whole detail. Just we have to visit the website. The URL you can see onlinelibrary.wiley.com. The Chaudhary Devlal University Sirsa is also the part and parcel of this online Wiley library. You can access this with the use or with the help of the librarian. You just contact the library and then you can access it. Now you can see here it is mentioned Wiley Online Library, Chaudhary Devlal University. I hope you can see the name of this university is here, which is underlined by my mouse.
Yes, sir,
Now,
visible.
just log in. Take the login ID from the librarian and just see the impact factor of this journal is 3.070. And the name of the journal is simply International Journal of Finance and Economics. Here is this. That is the latest issue. Point is that how you will find those journals which are fit for my paper. Sometimes what we feel, okay, sir, I am sending a paper, you will search a journal and then you will get it published. I will pay the publication fee to the editor or the publisher. Or if I will not give the pen to me, just I will give the amount to you and you will deposit from your account. Such kind of the issues or things are available in the market, but it is not acceptable on the part of the researcher or the academician. Therefore, I request you all, simply go to the match finder, go to the scholars.com and Google Scholar you can see, and other issues I will be providing to you in the coming lecture also. Here you can see What is that? Download PDF. Issue information. Large number of article, please select only one paper I need. That is available in the open access. Download. One paper, it is available with me. Why? Because my university is also the part and parcel of this particular journal. If you have the WinZip, then you can open it from your downloads. Paper is available here. Simple, very much simple. The whole documents which are available here you see, my dear students. I hope you can watch this paper. Here is DOI, Digital Object Identifier. Because of this paper is available in the open online accessibility sources. And the paper was received in which date? July 18. Revised December 19. Accepted June 2020. Mean to say complete 1 year. Required to get it published. Therefore, don't bother about the waiting time. Just to prepare your paper, submit it to the concerned journal, and let them revise many times. Get the objections, rejections, and refine your paper every time. And then you will get it published in that journal which is listed in most of the databases. Only one paper of your life can give a lot to you. There is no requirement no necessity to publish 1,000 paper in your life. Just publish only 5 paper in your life. They can give a lot to you. Name and fame and finance and remuneration and earning, everything they can provide you. But you must have to give maximum to that paper. 100% when you will dedicate to that paper, then it will flourish automatically. Now, again, we thank to the Wiley because of the Wiley is providing this information to us. We must acknowledge. Now, another one is another point which we are going to share. This one. Here is Wiley's Journal Finder. Yes, Journal Finder. Wiley is providing another option. Here is just I have to type, because of practically when you will do, then you will find okay. This is one more option. Here is Journal Finder, Wiley. Just search for a journal, find journal by title, put your title, and then you will see how to access the open line or open online journals. Just click, search for a journal. This particular thing is saying maybe another point, manuscript title I will give. Finding journals. Please be patient. And this could not take, okay, no problem. It will take some time till yet. Here is the Journal Finder Beta. The software, the database is available and it is being provided by the Wiley. Wiley is saying that, okay, insert your manuscript title or its abstract, and you will find that journal, and then you can select okay, which journal is fit for my publication, which is fit for my manuscript, and then you can submit. Now I can observe it will take much more time, but we will not waste our time. Here is another one is Open Journal Matcher. Here is Open Journal. Yes, this is also available. What is that? This tool matches a draft abstract with the best matching open access journals. Find somewhere to submit your work by pasting your abstract below. Simply the website name is or the URL address is ogm.ocert.at. I picked up my abstract, copy it, and then paste it here. And you will see, okay, which journal is fit for me. It will also take 1 to 3 minutes because these URL will search the whole data which is available in the online mode. And then they will give the result to us. Okay, these are the journals where you can send your manuscript. You can send your research paper for the purpose of the publication. And then you can see and you can watch, okay, which journal is fit for me. In terms of the finance, mean to say fee, publication fee is there. It is feasible to pay on my part or not, or what I have to do, and what is the impact factor of that journal, what is the site score of that journal, and what is the H index of that particular sites, and what is the Altman, or you can say all metrics, attention score, site score. What is that? As and when you will found, okay, this is the thing where I have to publish. As and when you will found, okay, this is available with me, and then you can submit without any confusion. Okay, maybe good time to refill your coffee. Hopefully, we all have not coffee yet on this time. Therefore, we have to focus upon Economic Journal of Emerging Markets. Here you can see this abstract is being matched 98.24%. Sri Jiva International, this 98.9%. This just I am opening it. Economic Journal of Emerging Markets. Where the website is going on. The website automatically shifted you where? On the directory of open access journals. Yes, we are here. And the print ISSN, online ISSN numbers are available there. And now you can see what I have to mention with you all. Publishing with this journal, if you are willing to publish, the highest fee charged by this journal is $50 as publication fee. Yes. Or you can say APCs, article processing charges. And then the license of this journal is this best practice for the purpose of removal of plagiarism. Journal metadata. Metadata, I mean to say details about the promoters, the governing body, the registered office of that journal. Here is University Islam Indonesia, Indonesia. Here you can access this website journal, or the website of this journal is available with us. And you can see and you can watch all these things. Here, everything is available. Volume 13, issue 2, 2021 is going on. And the journal was published in 1993 with this ISBN. After that, it was changed as JEP in 1996. Now, in 2009, it becomes Economic Journal of Emerging Markets. It's published by the Center for Economic Studies, University Islam Indonesia, Indonesia. And you can see Economic Journal of the Emerging Markets. I hope visible and audible everything.
Yes, sir.
Now, here the whole information is giving or is providing by this website. Okay, call for papers. Please submit your papers. And the aims and scope, editorial team, abstract indexing, author's guideline, author's fee. These are the publication ethics where we are focusing upon duties of authors, reporting standard, data access, originality, plagiarism, multi-redundant and concurrent publications, acknowledgement of the sources, authorship of the paper, human animal objects. What we have discussed in our previous lectures, disclosure and conflict of the interest, it is very much important issue in case of the plagiarism, and involvement and cooperation in investigations. It means to say every detail is where on the website of that journal, and where it is listed. This is listed in these databases. One of that is DOAJ. Another one is SiteFactor, REPC, Index, Base, Google Scholar, Dimensions, Shinta, Garuda, and other Oxford University and Publon. It is again one of the databases also there. It means to say this particular website is indexed in these are the databases. Because of it is also one of the point in your syllabi indexing database. Then you can see what is the relevance of that journal and what is the reputation of that journal and where it is listed. I hope it is very much clear to you all. Now, we should forward ourselves. Now, another point is once you choose a journal, study instructions to the author, examine a recent issue of the journal. What it mean to say? It mean to say like this. It is working on, no problem. One more thing I'm trying to discuss with you all. Because of one point is given in this particular page. Here is a Google Scholar, as you can see. And Web of Science, as we have discussed with you all. One more thing, what I have to share with you all, Web Science. Here is this. Downloads. This page is very much important for you. I have pasted before me. I just close my presentation and I am giving the reflection of one thing which is available in the back of me. In video you can see here is a paper which I have published here and it is related to your research matrix. Get it, colored print and paste where you are sitting. On this particular paper, the whole research matrix are mentioned. A study guide I have simply supplied to you in your Google Classroom and you can have a look on it every day so that you can remember what is journal citation score and other H factor, impact factor, H index and other site score, journal impact factors. You can watch and you can learn and you can remember. Therefore, I request you all, get it printed this document and paste it on your seat where you are sitting. I hope it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Because of being a teacher, being a scholar, being a researcher, we must have some documents in front of us every time so that we can identify where we are working and it will give a message to us. We are here. Web of Science core collections. It is updated 21st December 2021. And what I'm going to say here, these are different indexes or the indices you can say, as far as plural is concerned. Citation Index Expanded, SCIE. Just download it. What is that? Social Science Citation Index, Art and Humanities Citation Index from the language department, the students. Social Science, all students. Emerging Science Citation from the science students. And JCR, General Citation Report. One of them, I just to download it here. And what is that document? You can just share it with you all. Here is web score. It is just opened. What is that? It is given journal title. For example, Academy of Management Annals, and the ISSN number is there. Then EISSN number is there. Publisher name is there. And then publisher address, language in which it is available, and then the category of the area, web of the science categories. It means to say where you have included. And then another column is which is related to the accessibility. Here is Web of Science. It means to say the whole information is available on this Web of Science Core SSCI 2021. It means to say it is available and you can access free of cost. You can download all these name of the journals which are available. Are they listed in different or indexed in the different databases? Yes or no? If yes, where? For example, one of the journal is there, Attention, Perception and Psychophysics. It is listed in the Springer. Name of the address, language, area is psychology and experimental. And what are these? These are the detail regarding a particular journal. Here is the Web of Science core collection include the Science Citation Index expanded and this and this. It means to say it includes only journals that demonstrate high level of the editorial rigor and best practices. It means to say those journals are included in that database which are compatible with the COPE guidelines. They maintain the academic integrity. They maintain everything. And after that, we accept these kind of the journal. And then these are listed in this case. I hope everything is clear today.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, one more thing is available here. Because of I have to give maximum to you all so that you feel better at the time of doing the research. These all are have been discussed. Here is the waiting time. It is also provided by the Wiley. What is that? Nature's Reader. Nature is a journal which is very much top or most ranked journal. What the readers of that, what the authors of that journal are saying, it will take how much time? More than 5 years also. 37%, 30% persons are saying, yes, it can take. And only 8% are saying less than 6 months. It means almost 10% of the nature readers say their longest wait to get a paper published in a journal has been more than 3 years. then there is no question will remain in our mind how much time the journal will take. Give novelty idea, give innovative idea in that particular paper, get it published, no problem. Now, you have to see the whole details, what the references, what the referees, what the reviewers are demanding from you. You have to give everything. Another one is, which is related to you, one, I just go directly. ORC ID is there. How many of you are well aware about it?
Sir, I am aware I have an IT on Orchid account.
Okay. In which year you have created?
Sir, this year only when I was registered
Okay.
in PhD.
Okay. My dear scholar, I request you all that you must have this ID. For researchers, it is very much fabulous document, fabulous ID, which will give a virtual to you or research to you to get maximum from your field by accessing and abstracting different sources which are available here. You just log in it, free of cost is there, and you will be able to convey yourself, okay, we are in this particular field. Just to see here, I have to give some idea to you. Maybe the password is correct. If not correct, it will be corrected. Just I have to open my biodata. Okay. Just to type here and you can access it. This is the ID 444, 16 digits are there, and it will give the information about you. And I request you all, you must enroll yourself on this. It is also modified me on 20 in the morning, today's date, and you can give yourself a good connectivity to the community of the researchers, academicians. If it is not available with you, it means to say you are not going to connect the outer world, which is available in the research domain or the knowledge domain. Therefore, I request you all, you must have this ID. I hope everything is clear. If any query, any question in this regard, you can ask. And there, this particular topic or the lecture was only on online access publishing, how you will access a journal, how you will find a journal, and how you will visit the website of that journal, whether it is available in the public domain, in the online mode, or in the offline mode, and which database is focusing upon and where it is listed, and these words and these topics and these keywords were deliberated upon today's lecture. And I request you all, if any query, any question, you can ask. If no, then I will sum up it. Yes, anyone?